Though Mother Nature is never idle, she rarely creates ideals, and beauty of soul and a beautiful body rarely coincide in people. Two beauties, and both are beautiful. Would that they each be given an equal crown? However, beauty of soul often envious of a beautiful face. Not a very pleasant confession, and yet why should we hide the truth? After all this feeling, it must be said, is perhaps not without foundation. After all, most people suffer almost completely with a strange myopia. While perfectly seeing the beauty of the face, they fail to notice the beauty of the soul. And even if they notice, it's not immediately, but only then, embarrassed, will they discern when all that was pleasing to the eye has been thoroughly and thoroughly adorned. Or perhaps also because gradually, slowly, over the years, two beauties like women in a house suddenly seem to switch roles. Appearance ages, bright features time erases powerfully and cruelly, whereas spiritual beauty has no wrinkles, no age, no expiration date. And through the fog, like a star in the silence, it glows and smiles eternally. And whoever discovers the beauty of the soul honestly, he will never repent. For illuminated by a beautiful soul, he himself will be splashed with eternal May. It's a pity that sometimes we still understand this truth too late.